this short video, we're going to look at how to enter a rental transaction using the service program. To get started, we're going to go to Rental Info and enter a new rental. We're going to start off by selecting a customer. Then we can pick an item to rent. This drop-down is populated with the item list from QuickBooks, and it also allows you to use the rental inventory with serial numbers that's set up within the service program. When I go to select a serial number, it's only going to show me the available units I have to rent out. You'll see the price is populated. I can set a quantity. If I double click on the price, I can see whether or not this has daily, weekly, and monthly charges associated with it. The standard or default, what you'll see in the price field, is the monthly rate. I can have this piece of equipment be prorated. So if it's returned early in the middle of a billing cycle, our software can generate a final invoice that is prorated. I can set the delivery date. And if you notice, the build through date is defaulting to the delivery date. The build through date would be the starting date of billing for this new transaction. The billing increment will tell the software how this piece of equipment is to be charged when you run a billing or when this is invoiced. Monthly will mean it's going to be calculated on either a 28-day, 30, or 31-day month. If this is a unit that is going to be billed weekly or daily, you can set the appropriate increment from the drop-down. If I need to add any other charges to this rental transaction, such as a delivery fee, I can just go ahead and add that right on the screen. So any other service fees or one-time charges can be added right onto the rental transaction. Now, since the delivery fee, we only want to probably bill this on the first billing or on the first invoice, I'm going to tell it not to prorate but to run once. Since I just want a flat $15 charge for the delivery fee, my billing increment is going to be flat rate. That way no proration or calculation is going to be made on this $15. When we invoice this transaction for the first time, the date run on any item that is marked run once is automatically going to be populated to show when that charge was included in the billing. So for now, just leave that field blank. If I need to store any transaction notes, delivery notes, or pickup notes, I can do so at the bottom of the screen. I can put in delivery notes for a driver. I can then pick a driver and set a date for delivery. If I need to print a delivery ticket, I have an option to print. I can select delivery ticket and then hit the print button. I can also add in a PO number. I can even select a route and put this on a specific route schedule, maybe for delivery. If I go look at my route schedule, you'll see the item has, or the customer has been placed right onto the route schedule for delivery. There's no save button within our software, so to save this rental transaction, you can just hit close in the top right-hand corner of the screen. To see anything that's rented out, you can click Items Rented. I can also go look at my rental inventory list, and I can see that unit number 100 is currently rented out. Thank you for watching this short video on creating a simple rental transaction. If you need any help or have any further questions, please don't forget you can press Chat Now in the top of the service program and then select Training Support.